Okay, let's go ahead and make our boxes. I'm going to go ahead and make this boxes a red. So I'm going to go ahead and select the box, the shape that has the rectangle, and then I'm going to go down here. Then I'm going to go ahead and open up this space, and I'm going to go to the red area, and I'm going to choose the kind of red that I want, and I'm going to click OK. Once I've done so, then I can go ahead and lay down the block wherever I want it to be. Let's say there. And notice how it didn't pick up the color. Sometimes it does that. Let's go ahead and double click here again and then insist that we want a color red. And then click OK. Okay, let's go ahead and duplicate that. To duplicate that, you just need to go hold the Option key, the Shift key, and then bring it to the other side. The reason we hold the Shift key is to keep it on the same horizontal leveling as the other one is. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and click on our text. And our text, if you remember, is white from before. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can go ahead and make it just regular, which would be black. I'm going to click OK. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw my text frame. And we're going to go ahead and put the words what to do. Okay, so I typed the words what to do, and I'm using Rage Italics, and I'm going to go ahead and put the text up here. Now, can you guess what I just did wrong? Right. This text does not belong in the images. It belongs into the text layer. So I am going to go ahead and unlock the text layer. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Cut, which will cut the text from where it was. Click on the text layer and then go to Edit, Paste in place. Okay, now the text is where it's supposed to be. I'm going to go ahead and lock my text and then work on the image down here. Okay, so you see how the words what to do are too big or too many. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the edge of my box and resize the box. That's all. And if I do that to that box, then I must do the same to the other box on the other end. So to do so, I'm going to go ahead and delete that box by clicking and deleting. And then I'm going to hold my Control key and my Shift key to keep it in the same area. And if I wanted to duplicate the text, I go back over here, lock my images, unlock my text, choose my text, hold the Option key, drag and let go. And of course, I don't want this to say what to do. I want it to say where to stay. So I'm going to go ahead and type in where to stay. Now notice that the text is too much. Okay, that's fine. I click on my direct selection tool. I'm sorry, my selection tool, and then I go ahead and make it bigger, meaning the space, the frame bigger. But notice that the box doesn't quite fit the text. That's okay. We're going to go ahead and figure that out by going to the layer, locking the text, unlocking the images, selecting my image, and extending the box so it does fit. Now you see how this is not quite aligned to where I want it to be? Well, for that I need to open my layers, lock my images, unlock text, go to the text, and now if I want to align this text, I can click on the text tool, paragraph, and then align it to the left. Now that text is aligned to the left. Okay? Next, I will show you how you put big chunks of text and different graphics that will wrap around on this area.